Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Shulata Bashpala. Today's agenda Python Introduction. Guido van Rossum is known as the founder of Python programming. First of all, what is Python? Python is a general purpose. General purpose means in Python language is used to develop range of applications, and it is used in data science, and it is used in automation. This is known as general purpose. Dynamic. Dynamic means in Python we declare the variable values at runtime. It is possible to add two integer values, and it is possible to add one integer and one float value. It is not possible to add one integer and one string value. It produces an error. This is called dynamic. High level. High level is nothing but human understandable language and interpreted programming language. Interpreted programming language means it converts source code into bytecode, and that is executed by the Python virtual machine. It supports object-oriented programming approach to develop applications. It is simple and easy to learn and provides lots of high-level data structure. Python, it is simple and easy to learn. In Python, we use hello world program at one line. Print hello world. This is the syntax of hello world program in Python. Same program we have to write at C language. We use header files as include stdio.h, main function, printf, print statement, hello world. Same program we have used at Java. In Java we use classes, that is class declaration, class A. Here we use main function, public static void main, string array of args. Here we use Python, Java, print statement, system.out.println hello world. This is the main difference between C, Java and Python. In Python we write hello world program at one line. In C we have to write the hello world program in three lines. Same in Java also we have to write it hello world program in three lines. Python makes the development and debugging fast because there is no compilation step included in Python development, and edit test debug cycle is very fast. Why learn Python? This is nothing but features of Python. Features of Python are listed below. Easy to use and learn, interpreted language, object-oriented language, learn standard library, GUI programming support, integrated. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.